Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use roots or radicals on the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator. To do this, we'll use the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the x squared key with the shift function of square root that looks like this, located here, the left bracket key with the shift function of cube root that looks like this, located here, and the up arrow or caret key with the shift function of x root that looks like this, located here. Getting started, let's say we want to find the square root of a number. For example, the square root of 25. To do this, we first press the shift key and then the x squared key to get the square root, and then enter the 25, and then press exe, and see we get the square root of 25 is equal to 5. What if we want to find the cube root of a number? Like, for example, the cube root of 1,000. To do this, we go shift left bracket with the shift function of cube root. There we go. And then enter our 1,000. Hit exe. And we get the cube root of 1,000 is equal to 10. What about a root that isn't a square or a cube root? Like, for example, the fourth root of 16. To do that, again, we press the shift key and then hit the up arrow or caret key with the shift function of x root so that we get this here with two boxes. In the top box, since we're looking for the fourth root, we'll press 4 and then scroll to the right so that our cursor is in the lower box. Enter the 16 and hit exe. And we see we get the fourth root of 16 is equal to 2. What if we want to find a root as a part of a larger equation? Like, say, for example, square root of 25 plus 2. Well, if we try to do that like this, plus 2, we see that plus 2 is all underneath the root. And if we hit exe, we get a number that isn't the result we're looking for. What we have to do in this situation is do our square root of 25, but for our plus 2, we need to scroll to the right 1 so that our cursor is out from underneath, and then we do our plus 2, exe, and we get the correct result. Square root of 25 is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.